It's October 13th, 2025, and today we're going to be going over our weather forecast for the United States over the next few weeks or so. So let's get into it. So we're going to be starting off with our tropical weather outlook, where we have a new tropical storm in the Atlantic Ocean, and it is called Tropical Storm Lorenzo, and we are expecting it not to impact anyone. We don't really have to worry about Lorenzo as of right now, and let's look at the future radar for Lorenzo. Right here is Lorenzo, and watch as Lorenzo moves up into Atlantic Ocean. This is what we're going to be expecting. This is the future radar for Lorenzo. You can see that for some reason it just goes straight up here, and then if you look more into the future, it's kind of weird of how it moves, because this is a I think it might be a little bit of AI GFS future radar thing. So this is kind of messing up a little bit. There's something broken with the radar for Lorenzo as of right now, but we're not expecting it to impact anyone as of right now. We actually still do have a nor'easter impacting the northeast currently, and it's going to be causing some pretty strong winds, maybe a little bit of snow possibly. A lot of flooding will be a possibility, and maybe even a tornado will be a possibility. That's pretty low chance, but it's still a possibility. We do get our coastal flood advisory, storm warnings, and all kinds of different stuff out there. But this is what we're going to be expecting for our nor'easter impacting the northeast. So right here is the northeaster, and we're going to be looking at the future radar. So this is what we're expecting. It kind of just stays over the northeast, and then it kind of weakens and goes away. We also do got a low pressure system down here that's rapidly weakening, and the wind gusts should start going away pretty soon for that area. We also are going to be expecting possibly some rain, as we do get a line of storms moving through the United States in this area. We don't really have to worry about it too much, though, because it's just going to be causing some rain as of right now. We do have a tropical disturbance in the Pacific Ocean with a very low chance of development within the 2 days and a very high chance of development within 7 days. It's not high, actually, it's medium, but yeah. We do have a marginal risk in the United States down here for today, so we're going to talk about severe weather next. So we got two marginal risks. First one is right here, and we're going to be expecting some scattered severe weather within this marginal risk. There's a very low chance we're going to be seeing any tornadoes with this marginal risk, but there is still a chance, but it's just a very low chance. So make sure to be staying weather aware if you're in this location, as you guys do have a possibility to see some severe weather for that area. Let's look at the future radar for this area. So if we look up, here is the time if you guys want to see the time. So yeah, and then if you look into the future radar, you can see that we're going to be expecting some scattered storms to develop within this marginal risk today. And this is all for today, and a little bit of tomorrow too. But yeah, we're going to be expecting some storms within this area inside this marginal risk. So make sure to be staying weather aware if you're in that marginal risk. We also got a marginal risk over here in California, in this area, where we're going to be possibly expecting some severe weather today as well. So let's look at the future radar for that. So later today, at around 10 p.m. towards the night, we're going to be expecting possibly some severe storms within this marginal risk. Tomorrow even is a possibility to also see severe weather in that same area. If we go to the risk that we have tomorrow, which is for October 14th, 2025, we have another marginal risk inside New Mexico, where we're going to be expecting severe weather in both of these areas. Again, it's kind of towards the same area. If we go to day 3, we're going to be expecting severe weather in this area and this area, which we're going to be talking about next, and we're going to be talking about where we're going to be expecting severe weather for other areas more into the future. Okay, now we are on the wind on GFS radar. So this is going to be what we're going to be looking at to see where we're expecting severe weather in the future, and what places could be seeing some pretty strong winds. And yeah, let's get into it. So if you look up here, we have a trough forming up here in the Pacific Ocean, where we're expecting that to enter into the United States. Look at this, a classic little trough. And this is what's going to be causing some severe weather within this area over the next few days or so. And we've just been having a bunch of troughs come through this area all the time, and I have no idea why, but I think it might be due to La Nina and El Nino, though I'm not for sure. And then after this thing moves out, or on October 18th, it's kind of causing some wind over here, we have another trough that's going to come in on October 18th, and this is going to cause possibly some severe weather. as it goes down into the Midwest, we could see a line of storms actually in this area moving through, and maybe just a chance for some severe thunderstorms. And then that will move kind of down here as that trough moves through that area. We're going to be expecting some severe weather within this area around October 20th and 21st. So make sure to be staying aware for severe weather within this area. Then after that goes past on October 20th, we have another trough coming through up here. And this is probably going to cause some severe weather as well as we get into late October. And then this will probably also drive some severe weather down here around October 22nd, 2025. And that will be a problem too. Then after that, another one comes through where some severe weather will also be a possibility, which is towards October 29th. And then that's when we see a little hurricane or some kind of tropical cyclone move through that area. But there's a very low chance that the United States will be hit by a hurricane this year, but we can't rule it out yet, so yeah. And we do have a chance to see a snowstorm over here somewhere today as well, maybe a little bit more, maybe tomorrow as well. So this is the future radar for the Northeast today and tomorrow. And New Jersey actually declared emergency for their area because I guess they're getting some damage over there. But yeah, because of this nor'easter, it's going to be causing a lot of rain within this area over the next 2 days or so. But hopefully it will go away pretty soon. Thank you guys for watching Electric Tornado. I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. I'll be talking about the weather hopefully every day now. Yesterday I couldn't make a video because I accidentally deleted it before I uploaded it. But anyways, guys, hope you have a good day, and we'll see you guys in the next video.